So hello student friends, welcome back to the Introduction to Python Programming Lab series for first year VTU students. In today's video, we will explore the next lab program, that is 1B, which tells about develop a program to read the name and year of birth of a person, display whether a person is senior citizen or not. So we need to use here conditional check. We need to do a conditional check by using if and else statement to check whether a person is senior citizen or not. First we will take the input from the user, that is name and year of birth of person, as we have done in the previous lab program. That is, first we will create a variable called name, then using input function we will give a message to user to enter his name, enter the name of the person, we'll put a semicolon here and a space, then we'll ask when he was born. So since year is a integer value, so by default, as I have already told you in the previous lab program, if you directly use input function, so by default whatever value you enter, it is always a string value. We need to convert that string into integer. So first we'll ask the user to enter the year of birth, enter the year of birth of a person, then here we'll put int, so that whatever value is getting stored in a variable called year, it is an integer value, not a string. So after this, so what is our program? So they are telling us to check whether a person is senior citizen or not. So in order to do this, we need to calculate what is the age of a person. Let us calculate the age, right? So in order to calculate age, we'll create a variable called age. So in order to calculate the age, so what we'll do is, so as this is 2024, we'll enter the current year minus his year of birth, which will give us what is his current age. So based on this age value, so if a person is person's age is greater than 60, he is a senior citizen, or else he is not a senior citizen. So we'll use if and else statement. So conditional so syntax is like this: first if, followed by condition, then if this condition is true, this executes. Okay, so we need to do this. So this will do. Okay, else, okay, if the condition is false, it will execute this. So this is the syntax, general syntax of if and else statement in Python. So here, what is the condition here? So age, if age of a person is greater than or equal to 60, we need to print a message in the console that the person is senior citizen. Person, so not actually, I have to first use the print function, then give a message person. So we'll type the name. Okay, we'll fetch the name of a person from a variable name, then comma, then followed by a string, is a senior citizen. Okay, similarly I'll just copy paste this. If this condition becomes false, if his age is less than 60, he is not a senior citizen. He is not a senior citizen. So we'll just execute it. So it is asking the name of a person. Let me just enter the name of person as ABC. Year of birth, let me enter 1965. If I just press enter, so ABC is not a senior citizen. So let us even display the age as well, so that it will be easier for us. Okay, let us just display the age. fetch it from a variable called age. Let me execute it again by pressing shift and enter, shortcut to execute, or else you can just click on this run button. So let me enter his year of birth as 1954. If I press enter, okay, first it is name of a person, it's okay, fine. I'll enter birth of person, so age is 70, so our program is executing properly. So age is 70, since age is 70, so this person is a senior citizen. So here we are hard coding it, so we are putting the value since the year is 2024. So year on year keeps on changing. So to make our program more dynamic, we'll use a module called date and time. So in order to use it, what we'll do is we'll import datetime module, import datetime module. We are making our program more dynamic. So what we'll do is, using datetime module, we'll calculate the today's date. We'll save the today's date in a variable called today's date, right? In order to fetch today's date, what you are supposed to do is first write the module name as it is given here, then use the attribute called date, then a function called today, which will fetch us today's date. Let us just verify it. Let us just comment this region, just press Ctrl slash, okay, we'll just comment it out. So let us just print that today's date. Today's date. If I just execute this, if I just enter the person of the name of person, year, so today's date is 27th of December 2024. Now in this we need to only fetch the current year, okay. So in order to fetch only current year, what we'll do, we'll create a variable called current year, correct. Then from today's date, from this today's date, let us copy this. From today's date, we need to only fetch year, okay. I have to use dot notation, then I have need to use an attribute called year, which will only fetch year 2024, okay. Now let us calculate the age. Let us just uncomment this. Let us replace this 2024 by current year. Let me just copy this and replace this, and let me just re-execute the program. Something, okay, fine, this is comment, right? I'll just comment it out. So what is the name of a person? Let me just enter a random name. So year 1956. So today's date is this one. His age is 68 and ABC is a senior citizen. So this completes lab program number 1B. So either you can hard code it by directly entering to current year, or else you can fetch it by using datetime module. Thank you.